Multiplying polynomials by monomials. Do you ever get confused of what the polynomial is and what the monomial is, or have we got that figured out? Me? All right. So poly means more than one, and monomial is one. So one term, more than one term. And am I okay without the mic? Feel good? Okay. So in this problem, that's one term, so that would be our monomial. Over here where we've got x plus 2, I've got two terms separated by an addition sign. So that's what makes that a polynomial. It's more than one. So fancy math speak, right, for just how many terms we have. Now over here, it kind of gives you the step-by-step directions. So if you find yourself getting confused in your homework, you can always refer back to that, or you can ask me. So how do we do this? We multiply the coefficients. And remember, coefficients is a fancy word for the number in front. All right. So the coefficient of 7x is 7. What's the coefficient of this term over here that says x? 1. So all we're going to do is 7 times 1 is 7. Then I look at the variable here, and the variable stays the same. Keep the variable. And it says add the exponents. So I don't see exponents, so that means they're both 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. X plus x, or x times x is x squared. All right. But now I've got to distribute, right? 7x times a positive 2 is?
14.
Positive, right? 14 what? Good. And you were right. I just like to know what sign I need to write. You're absolutely right. Are there any like terms that we would need to combine?
No.
So this is happy and done. This is how friendly your homework's going to be today too. Maybe a little bit longer, but it's going to be friendly. All right, let's move on to the harder problem then, since I just told you it's going to be so friendly. This time I'm going to have to distribute how many times? 3 times. Maybe I'll get 3 different colors here. All right. What's negative 3 times 7? Negative 21. Am I a teacher that cares if you grab your calculator to do your arithmetic? Not even a little bit, okay? Never feel embarrassed if you need to grab your calculator in my class. I'm okay with that. And then the variable stays x. But what do we do with those exponents when we're multiplying them? Add them together. So I've got a 2 and a 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. All right, let's move to the next term. All right, there's that 1. So what's negative 3 times negative 1?
Positive.
Negative times negative is going to be positive, right? Positive 3, x to the, what's 2 plus 1? 3. Questions with how I got that? And then the last term. Negative 3 times a positive 4.
Negative 12.
Negative 12. What do I do when that one doesn't have a variable over there?
It's 1.
Yeah, so that just stays the same. It's a good way to look at it, Megan. It's just 1, right? I like it. Any like terms? Nope. So that's a 4, 3, and a power of 2. What's my leading coefficient in this one? Negative 21. What's my degree?
4.
Good. What's my leading coefficient in this one? And the degree?
2.
Good. You guys learned that very well last week. All right, here's another very, very similar problem. We'll do it a little bit quicker maybe. 5 times negative 4.
Negative 21.
A to the what?
4.
2 plus 2 is 4. Good. Now to the next one. 5 times 2.
10.
What kind of 10? That's why I know I can write plus 10, because it was positive. A to the what? 2 plus 1 is 3. Good. And the last one.
Negative 35.
I didn't even ask, and she's already on it. Good job. Negative 35. And I like that, Megan, where you said just think about it as 1. So a squared times 1 is just going to be a to the third. Look for any like terms. None. Done. That's your lesson for today. We're breaking it in nice and slowly, all right? Yes, ma'am.
Would it be 35 a to the second or a to the third?
This one here?
Yeah.
35a to the second, because this doesn't have an a term over here.
Yeah.
There's nothing to add it to. I'm glad you asked. Good job.